Check out this VW that just came in. Once in a while we come across these that are rather cool and unique examples of the VW Beetle. And here is one of them. This is a 1957 oval window. 57 marked the last year of the oval window. I believe they were from 1953 to 1957, if I remember right. This particular one is a very nice shape, nice little running and driving VW. Still has the original 1200cc four-cylinder engine in it. It also has factory heat, which you didn't see all the time. Black paint is in nice shape, although it was painted 20 years ago. At the same time, it was converted over to a 12-volt system, so it also is a 12-volt system in here. Paint does show some imperfections, obviously, over 20 years, but as you can see, it has a nice luster to it. Still shows very nice. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can check out, obviously, the paint, the interior, the engine bay. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Interior in this car is very nice. Also, we'll get around to the driver's side and you can see a little bit better so you don't get the glare of the sun. Here's where they got the nickname the oval window from. Obviously that rear window. Again, the engine in the rear on these is the original 1200cc. This is actually a two-owner car before it got to us. Also believed to be original miles, 88 and some thousand miles it shows on the odometer. We'll take a peek at that too when we get to the interior. So pretty nice original VW. Is riding on Coker wide whites. So it has a more modern tire on there also. And the rubber is good on it. The car's basically turnkey, ready to go. As you can see on these older VWs, the interiors were less is more philosophy. You have the speedometer there. Is a 4-speed manual transmission. Check out the vinyl in the seats. Nice all the way around front to rear. Still appears to have what would be the original kind of short mohair headliner. Door cards also in nice shape. Check out the miles here also. It's 88,000, it's 88,368. I'm going to go ahead and start it up here so you can hear it run. So all it takes to start it. Great little starting and running VW. See how nicely the door closes there. Come around to the back. Check that out. Nice and smooth it runs. Again, if you want to check out the still pictures, underside of it's just like new too. Protected with an undercoating along the line somewhere. So it's still very solid. Not a thick car or a real muddy car as far as bond or anything like that. So check out those underside pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. If you'd like to give us a call and inquire about this vehicle, feel free to. These are getting harder and harder to find, especially in this kind of shape. And that oval window is a popular VW at 57. Last year it was made. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. And we can assure assist with transportation to your location. Give us a call if you have any questions.